Changing the email link to your Binance account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly and securely. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or app and log in using your current email and password. Ensure you have access to your current email for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is typically found in the profile or user menu, often represented by an icon or your account name. Step 3. Select email change option. In the account settings, look for the option to change your email address. This may be listed under security settings or personal information. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address and confirm it. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the change, including checking your new email for a confirmation link. After completing these steps, your email address linked to your Binance account should be successfully updated. Always ensure your new email is secure and accessible for future communications.